Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make $100 a day online on Facebook, guys. So guys, if you're looking for how to make $100 a day online, then yes, this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make $100 a day online on Facebook, guys. Right, guys? So guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then yes, down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, and in that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So go and read my book. Down below there is a link, go and check out, right? So again, now here, without any delay, let me show you how to make $100 a day online on Facebook, guys. Right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, here is my disclaimer, guys. I don't give you any guarantee, guys, that you will be making $100 a day online, guys. Everything depends on you and your efforts, right, and your circumstances, right? But the strategy that I'm going to show you, it is working for me, guys, right? So yep, everything depends on you, guys. This is my disclaimer, and my results are not typical, guys, right? As you can see, I have made $126.40 on 27th December. So this is my recent result, guys, right, that I have got, guys. But there is no guarantee, guys, right? So everything depends on you, how you implement the strategy, right? So again, now here I'm showing you my strategy that is working for me, guys. So guys, here what you need to do, guys, very first thing, guys, that I always say, guys, if you see my previous video, guys, almost in every video I always say, guys, focus on one thing. This is very important, guys, that you need to keep in your mind, guys. Focus on one thing. Don't dabble, don't jump here and there, don't jump one shiny object to another shiny object, guys. Focus on one thing. So here what I mean by that, guys, I mean to say that, guys, that you need to pick one problem that you want to solve in the market, guys, right? So as you know that, as I'm talking about that, how to make $100 a day online. So this is problem, guys, that people that people are looking for the solution for this problem, guys, right? So yep, considering that, I'm going to pick that problem. Okay, yes, this is the problem and I'm going to solve this problem in the market, right? So yes, pick one problem, guys. This is very important. Second thing, guys, okay, now when you know, okay, this is the you can say problem that you are going to solve in the market, then yes, considering that, guys, you need to pick a, you can say, you need to pick a affiliate product through which you are going to solve the problem of your ideal customer, guys, right? And guys, when you are going to pick any affiliate product through which you are going to solve the problem of your ideal customer, then yes, you must also look for that what's the commission rate that they are giving, guys, as an affiliate. So yes, at least, like, as your goal is that you want to make $100 a day online, then yes, this product must be paying at least $100 in commission, guys, right? So this is very important, guys. Understand this. If you pick a product as an affiliate that pays you around $20 for every sale, so for that you need to you can say for getting your goal, that is of $100 a day, then yes, you need to make 5 sales, guys. But if you pick a product that pays you at least $100 a day, or you can say $100 per sale, guys, then yes, I think with one sale you can fulfill your target, guys, right? $100 a day target you can fulfill with one sale, guys, right? And guys, here understand this, it takes same amount of efforts to promote $100 product or a $20 product or $1 product or more, guys, right? So it takes same amount of effort, so it's up to you, guys, right? So guys, now here, considering that, okay, yes, considering my problem, okay, this is the problem that I'm going to solve, where my ideal customer is looking for that he wants to make $100 a day online. Okay, yes, so considering that, okay, yes, this is the problem and how can I solve this problem. So based on that, I'm going to pick an affiliate product that is going to solve this problem and that pay me at least $100 in commission, right? So here in my case, it is one funnel away challenge, guys. So guys, I'm an affiliate of this product. This is one funnel away challenge, and through that product, by promoting that product, I'm going to solve the problem of my ideal customer. Because guys, when you promote this one funnel away challenge, guys, then yes, for every sale you make $100 in commission, guys, right? So yes guys, here one thing that you need to understand, guys, before promoting any affiliate product, guys, first you go through the product, guys. This is very, very important, guys. Don't promote any product just for the sake of making money, guys. Only promote the product that you have gone through personally and you have found it of great value, and you think that yes, this problem will solve the problem of my ideal customer, guys, right guys? So yep, considering that, okay, yes, this is the product that is going to solve the problem of my ideal customer and it will pay me $100 in commission, then yes, you need to just, like you can say, you need to promote this very product, guys, right? So yep, for that, if you don't know how to become an affiliate of this one funnel away challenge, then yes, you can go to whatsyourdreamcar.com. whatsyourdreamcar.com. So it is you can say one of the product of ClickFunnels, guys, right? So, and you know that ClickFunnels is one of the best affiliate program in the world, guys, right? So yep, don't worry, I will put the link, you can go and check out, guys, right? So yep, you can go to whatsyourdreamcar.com to become an affiliate to promote this one funnel away challenge, guys, right? And yes guys, again I'm telling you guys, first you go through the product, guys. By the way, I will also put the link of this training that you can go and watch, right? By the way, let me show you how it looks. You can see that, guys. So this is the training, guys, that I'm promoting, guys, right? One funnel away challenge, and when someone buys this one funnel away challenge through my link, I will be making $100 in commission, guys, right? You can see, guys, if you're serious and want to build your affiliate marketing business or your online business, so you can sell your affiliate product or someone else, or you can say your own product or your own product, guys, then yes, this training is one of the best training by one of the best coach in the world, Russell Brunson, guys. So guys, I would highly recommend you guys, if you're serious about starting or building your online business, then yes, this training is for you, guys. Go with this training at least for once, guys, right? Down below I will put the link, guys, you can go and check out. And yes guys, if you join through this training using my link, guys, then yes, I will give you my bonuses. Down below I will put the link, you can go and check out my bonuses, guys, right? So yes guys, this is the training that we are going to promote, one funnel away challenge, right? So again, now here next step is, guys, once you know, okay, yes, this is the product that you are going to promote as an affiliate, then yes, what we will do, guys, we need a sales system, guys. This is very, very important, guys. I see that most people, they fail in affiliate marketing business because they don't have their own sales system, guys, right? So yep, we are going to create two-step sales system, having landing page and bridge page, or you can say thank you page. So you can see this is my landing page, guys. Don't worry, I will show you the live example of this, right? This is my landing page where I'm offering lead magnet, or you can say where I'm offering my ebook, guys, as a lead magnet, so that I can build my email list. And guys, you know that building your email list is like building your digital asset. So if you're not building your email list, guys, you are losing money on the table, right? So yep, this is very, very important, guys, to build your email list. And now this is my thank you page, or you can say my bridge page, where I'm offering my affiliate offer, that is one funnel away challenge. Plus I'm also offering my bonuses just to stand out from the competition and to give extra reason to buy from me, guys. You know that there are, you can say, over 50,000 affiliates of ClickFunnels, guys, and some of them, most of them are promoting this one funnel away challenge. So guys, here you need to stand out from that competition, guys, right? So how you will when you offer bonuses, right? So yep, this is very, very important, guys. Give bonuses, guys, right, when you are going to promote your affiliate offer. So this is the page, guys, where I'm offering my affiliate offer, guys. Let me show you, guys, you can see that, guys. So this is my, you can say, a funnel that I have created using ClickFunnels, guys, right? ClickFunnels is a, you can say, funnel builder, guys. Simple drag and drop funnel builder through which you can create affiliate marketing sales funnel, guys, right? So I have created this funnel using ClickFunnels. By the way, if you want to check out, down below there is a link, you can go and check out, guys, right? So it comes up with 14 days free trial, guys, right? So there is no harm, guys, to check it out for free. So let me show you the live example, guys. So you can see that, guys. So this is my live funnel, guys, right? So if someone like click on that, then yes, put his name or email address, then yes, click on that button, then that very person will go to my bridge page or thank you page, guys, right? So this is the page, guys, where I'm promoting my, you can say, affiliate offer, guys. And you can see this is one funnel away challenge, guys, right? And here I'm also, yeah, you can see some of the testimonials, guys, right? You can see my bonuses that I'm offering, guys. 30-day OFA mentorship, 5-day being super affiliate marketing mastery training, done for you funnel. Same exact funnel I'm giving away to someone who joins one funnel away challenge through my link. By the way, if you want, then yes, go through this one funnel away challenge using my link and send me the receipt when you join this, and then I will give you all the bonuses along with this same exact funnel, so you can promote this one funnel away challenge, guys, right? Headline script generator software.com secrets book, coaching call recording with Jacob Carris. He's a 7-figure super affiliate, guys. 5-day emails, 5 files, 3 hand-picked high-ticket programs, 16 best affiliate programs that you can promote, funnel hacker cookbook, marketing secrets black book, lead funnels 5 files, network marketing secrets book, strategy call template, niche clarification template, bonus template. If you don't know what bonus to give, then yes, this template is for you, guys. ClickFunnels video training, traffic words, right? If you don't know how to get traffic to promote your affiliate offer, then yes, this is for you, guys, right? Bridge page video script, right? If you don't know what to say in the video, guys, that you have on your bridge page, then yes, this is for you, guys. 10-day Facebook live challenge, guys, right? And everything, yeah. And for that, what you need to just go with one funnel away challenge using my link, right? And then send me the receipt, guys, right? At contact@whatever-I-know.com, guys. So if you want same exact funnel, guys, then yes, do let me know in the comment, guys. I will give you same exact funnel when you join one funnel away challenge through my link, guys, right? By the way, if you don't know how to create your sales funnel, guys, this type of sales funnel, then yes, down below I will put the link of my training. You can go and watch, guys, right? So don't worry, guys, right? And yeah, so guys, now you have seen my 2 steps sales system, guys. This is the sales system, guys, that I'm using, and with this sales system I'm making you can say sales as well as I'm getting leads, guys, right? And so guys, now here I'm assuming that you have created your sales system. Then yes, guys, what you need to do, guys, grab your link, guys, sales system link, and then come to you can say your next step is, guys, pick one traffic source and master it, guys. This is very, very important, guys. I see that when we are beginner, we try to learn every traffic source. Come on, guys, don't do this mistake. Learn from my mistake. I have done this mistake, guys, right? So don't try to learn every traffic source. Pick one and master it. So guys, here I'm just you can say focusing on one traffic source. This is Facebook. So yes, guys, here what you need to do, just you can say go to your profile, guys, right? And yes, optimize your profile, guys. This is very, very important, guys. Optimize your profile based on your niche, guys. As in my case, my niche is affiliate marketing. So you can see, learn how to build digital affiliate business online. So right, so yes, come up with a cover that is professionally designed, right? And yes, also optimize your bio, guys, and put your sales system link here, guys, in your intro section, right? And I'm right, and after putting your link here in your you can say intro section, guys, then what's your next step, guys? Talk about your affiliate offer that you are going to promote, guys. As you can see, guys, almost on daily basis I do Facebook live, guys, right? So in my video, what I do, guys, I talk about one funnel away challenge, right? I say what results I have got, what they are going to get, when they join one funnel away challenge. And side by side, I also provide some other valuable stuff that is related to affiliate marketing. So do it consistently, guys. Start publishing valuable content on daily basis, guys, and slowly you will see that, guys, that you are getting momentum, you are getting traffic to your video or to your content. And yes, in your videos or in your content, talk about affiliate offer that you are promoting. You can say, hey, if you want more information, or if you want to learn how to start your affiliate marketing business or your online business, then yes, go and join one funnel away challenge. Link to join one funnel away challenge is in my bio, so you can direct people, guys, right? So you can say this thing, guys, right? And yes, in your bio section, you can also put the link of your, you can say, picture of your affiliate product, and yes, put your, you can say, link, guys, right? Sales funnel link that you can put here by going in the edit section, guys, right? And same thing, guys, you can do, you can put your sales funnel link here, guys, right? You can see that. Can you see that, guys? Put your sales funnel link, right? And put your link, sales funnel link here, guys, right? By going in the edit details, guys, right? Scroll to bottom, find website section, and then edit, and then again go edit and put your link, guys. Add a website and put your link here, guys, right? Sales funnel link, guys, here. That's it, guys. This is what you need to do, guys, when you have created your sales system. Then yes, your final thing is that, guys, you need to promote your sales system, guys, rather promoting you can say affiliate offer directly, guys. Promote your sales system, guys, because that way you will be building your email list, right? And then you send people to your affiliate offer, guys, right? And yes, guys, finally, guys, yep, give at least 6 to 12 months time, guys, without any distraction. Don't dabble, have patience, don't jump on one shiny object to another, right? So, guys, yep, if you follow this strategy, guys, definitely, guys, very soon you will be able to see results in your affiliate marketing business, guys, right, guys? And you will be able to make $100 a day online, guys, right? So yes, this is all about for today, guys, right? And yes, if you have any questions, then yes, please do let me know in the comment section. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and subscribe to my channel. Down below there is a red button, go and click on that. And yes, there is also bell notification button, so that you can get notification about my training that are related to affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, hit that bell notification button, guys, right? So yep, this is all about for today, guys, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.